By the end of this video, you will fully understand how to perform zoom in and zoom out and how to use them effectively in After Effects. By the way, my composition settings are 1080p by 1080p at 60 frames per second. First, we will double click to enable the frame blending, and we will also enable the motion blur. We do this so that our clips look much smoother in the final result. After this, we will apply Twixtor and head tracking to our clips so that they look even smoother. In this tutorial, I'm not going to teach you head tracking or Twixtor because I have already made tutorials for those. You can check it out in the link in the description. Now we will pre-compose our clips. We will select move all attributes into the new composition and then click OK. We will pre-compose all of our clips on which we are going to apply the zoom. Once we have pre-composed all our clips, we will go to the effects and presets panel and search for S_blur more curves there. If you don't see this effect, you may not have installed the Sapphire plugin. You can go to my Discord server and download it from there. Link is in the description. Next, we will drag and drop this effect onto our first clip. We will go to the start of the clip, uncheck the subpixel option and click on the stopwatch Z distance. Then we will go to the end of our clip and there we will set the Z distance to 0.830. After doing all of this, you will press the U key on your keyboard. Once you press U, you will see your keyframes. Then we will select both keyframes, right click on them, go to Keyframe Assistant and choose Easy Ease. Then we will select our clips, keyframes again, go into the graph editor, and just like I am adjusting the graph here, you will need to adjust it in the same way. We have now created the zoom, so we will copy it and paste it onto all the following clips so that we don't have to do all of this work again. If you paste the effect onto the next clip and your keyframes don't align because the next clip is slightly longer or shorter, while the previous one was different, then to fix it, we select both keyframes, press Alt and we stretch them with the mouse forward or backward as needed for the clip. After doing all of this, if you play it, it will only zoom in. In order to get a zoom out animation, you need to select the clip you want to zoom out, select both keyframes, right click, go to Keyframe Assistant and choose Time Reverse Keyframes. That will create the zoom out animation.